Hey, I've talked about our friends before, Ed and Nicole. They're the ones that lives out in the sticks out yonder and got that dog named Coldwater. Well, Nicole was telling us a story the other day that I know she don't mind I share it with you or she wouldn't have told me. Uh, she had a problem at McDonald's. She pulled in there and get her a hamburger or a milkshake or whatever. And man, she got plumb bent out of shape there for a while because she couldn't get any service. Said she pulled in, pulled around, pulled up to the menu, and looked up there and saw what she wanted. And she sat there, and nobody ever came over the speaker to ask her if they could help. So she said, "Man, she can see that box out there, where the microphone is." So she leaned out the window and hollered, "Hey, is anybody working today? Hey, is anybody in there? I'm hungry. I got an order out here." Said she sat there and she yelled, and boo, directly she noticed she's a yelling at the trash can. You got to pull a little further around to place your order. She's at that pre-menu thing up there. Anyway, I thought that was hilarious, and I just wanted to share it with you. Now, she said it could have been a lot worse. Thank God there wasn't anybody behind her. Bless her heart, she can't help it. Simple commentary. Have a good day.